Hey guys, today I'm going to present chapter 6.3.3 and the title is Relate the support system with stability in plants. So, there have two types of plants that are on lands and aquatics. For the lands, there are woody and non-woody and we also call them herbaceous. First, we are going to talk about the roots of land plants. There are two types of root. There are buttress roots and clasping roots. So, for the example of the buttress root, there are durian trees, casuarina trees, and yellow flame trees. They occur at the base of the trunk where the main roots branch off at the ground surface and enter the soil. And for the clasping roots, there are a few examples here. There are money plants, certain wild orchids, and it enables a plant to climb by growing around and clasping its supports. So, we now going to talk about the woody plants and non-woody plants. So, the woody plants, for the example, they have rubber trees, durian trees, and rambutan tree. They supports by woody tissues. And what is woody tissues? Woody tissues enables the plants to grow tall and erect in order to obtain sunlight. They are dense, hard on tree trunks, and they are also made up of silent tissues. Most of the woody plants are really tall. And for the non-woody plants that we also call that herbaceous, for the example, they have roses and bougainvillea. They are supported by special structures and they protect themselves by the thorns, tendrils, and prop roots. So now we're going to talk about aquatic plants, and for the aquatic plants, they have few examples here. There are yam, water lilies, and lotus. They support by water buoyancy, that the item that make them float on the waters. They have soft stems that have air space and their leaves broad with stomata on their surface. So, the aquatic plants that live in the water have fine leaves. Thank you. Here are my presentations.